what it should show us here when it's done loading is welcome to WhatsApp. Let's get started. And now, hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More. And in this video I'll be showing you how you can download and install WhatsApp on your PC. Now, to be able to download WhatsApp on your PC is quite simple. All you need to do is first head over to the WhatsApp website. So let's search up WhatsApp and let's click on the first link here, which is whatsapp.com. And now all we need to do now is to download this free application to our computer. It should be here on downloads and here on programs. Now let's install WhatsApp. So I'm not just going to be showing you how you can download and install it, but also how you can sign in into your account, because apparently I actually already have WhatsApp on my PC, but you can't use WhatsApp immediately. No, like you can't use WhatsApp directly without any other application, which is also just WhatsApp, but on your mobile. Let me show you what I mean. So let's log out here so I can show you how you can log in. I'm gonna be logged outing from this account. And what it should show us here when it's done loading is welcome to WhatsApp. Let's get started. And now it will show us this QR code. Now let me show you what to do, which is to go to your phone. I am here currently on my mobile phone, and I'm gonna go over to my WhatsApp application, which is this one. And what we need to do is head here on the top right corner of your screen, click on the triple dots, click on link devices, and then you just click on link a device. Now you just need to enter your pattern or your mobile's password. I'm gonna be using my fingerprint sensor for this one, and then I'm just gonna scan the QR code that is on the PC. Alright, and so afterwards, it says here that it's now active. If we go back to our PC, you can see that it is now logged in. The same way, or we are now back to where it was earlier before we logged it out. And that's it. That is how you can download and install WhatsApp into your PC. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.